Oh, that is bad.
Well, I guess we're pretty lucky.
Yeah, they're going to take it down.
We are really lucky.
We are very lucky, yeah. And you are one dumb buffalo.
There's no danger for us.
Nice. No danger for us. No. They're buffalo, though. Well, what did you expect?
Oh, I feel so bad. Oh,
It's nature.
But,
Here comes the other male.
Don't cry.
No danger for us. They've already got their lunch.
It's lunchtime.
You see what I mean? They suffocate their prey going for the
So they
neck.
die quickly.
Well, it's gone into shock by now, yeah. It won't feel the thing.
Wow, jeez. We're so lucky.
Yeah, we really are.
Macho. Attends, lui dis
t'as
bien
vu,
nous,
là, les lions, ils veulent manger le buffle.
Now what are they running after?
Oh, wow.
Those
So,
lions.
where did they go?
Giving the buffalo a chance to get up. There's only one lion on it.
Where did they go?
I can't see. I'm busy recording.
Yeah.
They're behind the car. Oh, now they're on the car. Now they're on the roof. I'm joking.
They're just having fun. I think they're just...
Silly buffalo, though.
Yeah.
Could have predicted that a mile away. It's amazing how one lion can take down something weighing 800 kilograms, which is about 600 kilograms more than the buffalo.
Hey, that's such a show.
More than the lion, even.
Il veut manger. Mon Dieu, faut que j'explique des choses à Noël.
Don't block
Le
my
buffle,
camera.
il essaie
Non,
de...
non, en fait, il le suffoque et après seulement il le bouffe.
Ouais, j'ai compris.
C'est sympa que vous ne mettez pas devant.
Le buffle, il essaie de se sauver, mais le lion, il est plus fort. Tu as vu? Le lion, il le maintient.
J'ai des photos de malades là.
Le lion, il est
Moi,
très
là-bas
très
aussi,
fort.
moi j'ai la lionne là qui essaie de réchapper.
So I have to explain the whole situation to my kid.
I'm sorry. Told you to close your eyes.
What would you say?
The Lion King is having lunch.
Mufasa.
Il amène à manger à ses enfants. Mais non, mais c'est pour Noam.
Alors, Laurence, le buffle, mâle ou femelle?
Ben mal,
Oh,
définitivement.
Jacko. There is Jacko over there coming.
Yeah.
Jacko, yeah,
Jacko.
over there.
Like a dog.
Like a dog. That is silver, but Jacko. See, look. Two of them.
Okay, the lions went to hunt another
Yeah.
one.
You can see on the right, there is Jacko also.
Yeah.
Over there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Okay.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a?
Oh, so he's waiting for like the end of...
Yeah. Pretty cool. They look,
Yeah, the jackal's too small for a lion to bother with, so
they look like tiny foxes.
yeah. And these are the rarer of the
Le
jackals, the golden
chien,
jackals. You won't see them outside of the
Ouais,
crater.
c'est ça, c'est un peu comme un chacal, mais c'est pas un chacal. C'est dans
You
la
have
même
binocular there?
J'ai un shot incroyable.
Daddy, do not knock my camera or I'll kill you.
Mais elle n'est pas aussi méchante que les lions. Hein.
C'est pas méchant, il l'a fait juste pour le manger. Hein.
I know.
Non, non, parce que j'ai fait un langage enfant là.
Has anyone got the binoculars?
Binocular there?
They're here.
Okay, we'll find it. Don't
You
worry.
want them?
Yeah, I've seen something like hyena, but not because not
Il est mort le buffle, ça y est.
Ah, ça va être malade parce qu'en plus le film dans ma caméra film c'est un film noir et blanc.
Cherche
hein.
les autres, ils sont partis mon grand, ils sont de l'autre côté alors.
Non, non,
Il-
c'est... Il voit les petits chiens, il est en train de les regarder.